Good afternoon, everybody. My name isคณวรรณ I'm studying in มัธยม 4 at พรหมานุสรณ์ School, Phetchaburi. Now, I'm going to present my essay topic, How to be good in English. Nowadays, the globalization affects to our life. We use the internet to communicate with others. But the knowledge do not limit in only Thai language. If we were stick in only homeland's language, we would not be an updated person. As we know, English is a worldwide language. Many countries such as Brazil, Australia, Africa, or United States use English as a second language. Thus, if we want to exchange information and culture with others, we would practice for having an excellent English skill. They say learning by doing. I agree, because if we did something by ourselves, we would recognize and could do it again. For example, in the science class, teacher ordered me to do experiment. If I used the science equipments by myself, I could recognize and can do it again next time. Thereby, for study English effectively, we should speak with the native speakers. Just sitting in the class and repeating after the teacher is not a good way. The good way for improving our English is learning and traveling. If I had an opportunity to travel at England, I would make myself to be an empty glasses which they can refill the knowledge. The experience from doing something wrong would make us remember. So, we should have a creative learning. We should not try to think differently. For instance, the Avatar movie is a story about the no-oxygen world, but there are various living things. This show to be an educated person would make us successful. And at the present, we may not refuse that the teamwork is very important. If we use brainstorm to solve the problem together, we would get several ideas to improve it. Therefore, if we have a chance to go to the unfamiliar land with new friends, we would work and fix the trouble together. It is more than learning English in England. And there are many famous places in England, such as the House of Parliament, Big Ben, and the Stonehenge. You can see the photos of them, but I think it is better to see them by ourselves. I would describe the details of each places in English to my mother. It would make her proud in myself. Traveling around England and doing adventure activities would encourage me to active for the new things. Accordingly, if we wanted to have a good English skill, we would try hard. There are many ways to improve our capability, such as speaking English every day, listening to the news in English, or reading the magazines like this. Or the best way, going on adventure in England is good for us. Thank you.
มาถามคำถามค่ะ
All right. I think it was a pretty good presentation. You should be proud of yourself. Now here comes the question. What do you think about the word adventure? Do you know, right? What does it come from?
Yes, for adventure.
Adventure.
Okay, adventure are a compound name of education and adventure.
Yeah, right. And what do you think about it? What do you think about the word?
The word adventure, I think it might mean we adventure, we go out on travel and learning in the same time. It will not make me stress. It relax and is a effective way to learning English.
Is that it?
Yes.
All right. Great, good answer. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
ขอบคุณค่ะ